好，我哋而家一齊整 pancake 啦。嗱，我哋撳個掣。跟住我哋望住裏邊，於是佢就會邊咗啲醬出嚟，就係 pancake bag。跟住佢就會 go under 呢一個 roller， 咁應該係熱嘅，咁佢就會碌出嚟，咁我哋陣間就有一個 pancake 食啦。我哋過嚟呢邊等佢出嚟先，喺下邊嗶嗶嗶嗶嗶，咁嗱，我睇佢啊，佢而家去到呢度咧，我哋就會有 pancake 出嚟啦。嚟緊啦，嚟緊啦！好嗱，姨媽攞定先。就嚟出到嚟咧，啊出緊嚟啦！耶 ！Look at my pancake， 佢跌出嚟啦！OK， 咁啊擺喺我個碟度 ，and then I can put toppings on it。哇！我哋睇下有 sprinkles、Oreo、peanut、honey stars、so many candies and Nutella and syrup. I think I'll get some chocolate. 好，擺喺度先。跟住呢個拉落嚟，少少得啦。Okay, I take it back and dip it. So here's my chocolate pancake. 好啦，係咪好想食咧？下次同你食啦。Okay, love you.